right, we are at the Gilpin Casino. Last time this one wasn't working, but today it is.
Oh!
Alright, down to B. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Something's going on. Look at this cab. Very Western themed. Hello, camera.
Someone's gonna hit again.
Somebody won. Sounds like somebody won.
Come on. Woo!
I would bet so.